Hello guys, my name is Imo King, and in this Adobe Lightroom Classic tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and use presets in Adobe Lightroom Classic. If you come over to this top left portion, you will see presets over here. And if you select this arrow, you will see default presets over here. If I hover around them, you can see how they make changes to my image. These are different color presets over here, different tone presets over here. But let's work on this photo and create our own presets. So for example, if we want to create some tones and some color grades for this photo over here, I'm going to come over to this top right portion over here. Let me close that mask and select the basic tab over here and scroll down. And let's imagine that I increase the saturation up a notch. And let's imagine that I increase the contrast over here also. And let me just increase the exposure slightly a bit. And let's just say that this is a color tone that we are okay with, and we want to save this as a preset. To save this as a preset, what you need to do is to come back to this right portion over here where we have presets and select this plus sign next to it and select create preset. The next thing you need to do is to give this a name. I'm going to call this saturation. You can call it whatever you like. And notice that it's going to be saved under the group user presets. You can come over to the settings over here and remove whatever settings you do not want to add. For example, effects, post cropping and gain. So if you have any crop on this picture, it's going to apply on all of your other pictures. So I'm going to deselect effects, cropping and gain. If you want to deselect calibration or any other thing you do not want. If you're okay with this, come over here and hit create. And now when we come over to presets over here, under the user presets, we have saturation over here. Now to test this on another image, all you need to do is to select the photo you want to apply it to. For example, I have this photo over here. You can just come over to presets and come down to user presets and select saturation over here and apply this. And as you can see, this preset has been added to this image over here. And that's it guys on how to create and use your own preset in Adobe Lightroom Classic. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.